Hello, welcome to lesson 17 on the design and implementation of soccer league transfer portal using server-side Blazor. I am Benjamin Fadina. In this lesson, we are working on reorganization of menu items. So the first thing I'm going to do is to ensure that my SQL Server instance is running. So I go to Services and I look for the SQL Server instance called the Bokun Loa. It is running. So now that I've satisfied myself that the SQL Server database we are using is running, the next thing I want to do is to start Radzin. So I search for Radzin and I click on it. Then I double click on Soccer League Transfer Hub to open it. Close the dialog. Then I want to run it. So the application has started. Let me log in as Muyik. Type in my password. Click login. So this is how the menu looks like right now. It is time for us to reorganize the menu item. So in order to reorganize the menu items, we'll go back to Radzin. We'll stop the application. Now, after stopping the application, we will go to Layouts. I'm going to click on Main Layout. After selecting Main Layout, I will click on Panel Menu. Then I'll click on the Items ellipsis. Now, I'll click on the plus for root. I'm going to add a new root item. And the new root item I want to add is called Application Setup. Now, Application Setup will not be pointing to any part or target. Now, the next thing I want to do is I want to bring genders under application. So I have a peek at what the current part of gender is. It is text, and the text is genders, the part is genders. So I'm going to come now. I'll click on Application Setup. I'll click on Add Navigation Item. The text will be genders, and the selected page too will be genders. Then now that I've done that, I will delete the gender icon that is here. The next thing I want to add is player positions. So I have a pick once again. After getting the pick, I'll come here. I'll click on Application Setup again. I'll add a new sub-menu item. So I'll call it player positions. Player positions. The part is also player positions. Then I'll delete the one I have here again. The next thing I want to add is rows. So I'll click on application setup again. I'll add a new submenu item, call it rows, and I will be pointing to rows. Then I will delete the one we have here. The next thing I want to add is transfer types. So let me have a peek. So once again, I'll click on application setup. Text here will be transfer types. The path will be transfer types. Once again, I'll delete the icon here. Then I click done. So okay, I want to bring the users menu item too under application setup. Have a pick, so it's users. So click on application setup, click on plus. So type users. The part 2 is users. And I'll delete the users menu item here. So then I click done. So this is what I have. Now the next piece of business for me is that I'm going to run the application. So now the application is running. Once again, I log in as Muyik, type in my password, then I click login. Now these are the menu items. I have changed your password. I have the players list. I have players transfer list page, club detail page, and under application setup, I have these sub menu items. So that is the end of the lesson on the organization of menu items. Thank you for watching.